Hi, I am Jo from Jo's Paradise of Colour, and today I decided to share how I set my art yarns with request, and how I do it is with a handheld steamer. There looks to be no water left in it, so I'm going to have to refill it, and then I will do a little bit and you can see what happens to the yarn. I've already done this half. As you can see, it's a lot more fluffier and the bobbles are more defined. So that's what the steam does. It makes it more defined and more puffier. These are yet to be done. Okay, now I have filled it up, turn it on and let it heat up. I've had this going for a while, so it's already pretty close to being hot now. You start from one end and let the yarn do its thing. And when I say that, it's pretty much the yarn moves with the steam and tightens on the coil. And that is what's setting your yarn. The heat and the steam and the reaction that your yarn does. I do a couple runs up and down of each and then I flip it. You see here? And this is what gives off that fresh off the wheel look for a ready to spin or a ready to make with yarn. That won't fall apart. These are all orders that I'm completing, ready to ship, or ready to send off hopefully tomorrow or Wednesday. And that one's done. On to the next. If you love any of these, I do have more left on my Etsy shop. I sell them for $20 to $25 each. that's done.